Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the BPlayer application on your Android TV, TV box, even a Google TV. This method will use to download the application. If you do not have it already, check the link in the description to get it downloaded. When you have it, click on it to open, go home, and you're going to put in the code for the downloader for the BPlayer application. Click on that dialog box and begin to type in the code. The code is 208 6364. When you have the code in, verify it, double check it, and click on the go button. If your code is correct, you should land on this page. Wait for 5 seconds and you'll be redirected to a download file. And now you are being redirected. The download should start automatically. If it does not start automatically, click on the download button to the bottom right of your screen. You will see this progress bar. Wait for the progress bar to complete. When done, click on the install button. This will install this application to your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. You could delete the download package installation file and that will save space on your device. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.